Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move notes in Evernote to a different notebook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app on your computer and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. You'll see various navigation options here that help you organize and access your content. In the left panel, locate and click on Notes. This option will display all the notes you've created across your different notebooks, giving you a comprehensive view of your content in one place. This is particularly useful when you need to reorganize your notes or move them between notebooks for better organization. Now, still in the left panel, you'll see all your notes listed out. Take a moment to locate the specific note or notes you want to move to a different notebook. Once you've found the note you're looking for, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options for managing that note. From the context menu that appears, select Move. This action tells Evernote that you want to relocate this note to a different notebook, which is essential for keeping your notes organized according to different projects, topics, or categories you're working with. After clicking Move, a window or panel will appear showing you all your available notebooks. Here, click on the destination notebook where you want your note to be transferred. This ensures your note ends up exactly where you need it, making it easier to find and work with later. Once you've selected the destination notebook, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Done. This confirms your selection and initiates the transfer process. After clicking Done, wait for a few seconds while Evernote processes the move and transfers your note to the new notebook. The time it takes depends on the size of your note and any attachments it might contain, but it's usually quite quick. And that's it. You've successfully moved your note to a different notebook in Evernote, making your workspace more organized and efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.